This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101. In fact, I call contracts the lifeblood of business, and they are certainly extremely important. And again, we have contracts all over the place in our personal lives, and a lease on our apartment is a special form of a contract. We may have a contract with our cell phone carrier, with our internet carrier, with our cable TV carrier. If we have an automobile, we may have a note for our payments, either a lease or a payment on our automobile. That's a special form of a contract. And we probably have, if we have an automobile, we have insurance on our car, and that is a special form of a contract also. So there's a lot of contracts in our personal lives. And again, if you can extend all of those into our business lives. So, some of our learning objectives for Module 3, so then, again, not just Chapter 13, but for all of Module 3 are summarized here on slide S2, which talks about, we're going to look at what makes a contract, the different types of contracts, how they're enforced, performance of a contract, the different types of legal remedies for contracts which will remind you of remedies that we looked at in the torts chapters, which we covered in the last week. And then also equitable remedies will wrap up with Chapter 13. So one of the things is that theft of trade secrets and violation of contracts. And why this is interesting, of course, is we wrapped up in Chapter 12, we talked about intellectual property. And remember those 4 types of intellectual property: patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Trade secrets are the only thing that are not recorded with the federal government. And so it's pretty interesting as somebody gets access to certain private information in a business relationship, and they take some of the proprietary property of the other party in the contract, and that's your setting for the iTopic case. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.